In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Play error 495. If you've been trying to download or update an app and this error keeps showing up, don't worry. Google Play error 495 is usually caused by a sync timeout, corrupted cache files, or a network issue while your phone is communicating with Google's servers. In simple terms, your device starts the download, but something interrupts that connection before it can finish properly. A good place to start is by clearing the cache and data for both Google Play Store and Google Play services. This helps remove temporary files that may have become corrupted and are now causing a communication problem. To do this, open your phone's settings, go to Apps, and find Google Play Store. Tap on Storage, then clear the cache and clear the data. After that, go back, find Google Play Services, open storage there as well, and clear the cache and data in the same way. This doesn't delete your apps, but it does reset temporary background information that may be interfering with downloads. If your device shows an app called Google Services Framework, it's a good idea to do the same there too. Not every Android phone makes this app visible, so if you don't see it, that's completely fine. But if it does appear in your app list, open it, go to storage, and clear its cache and data as well. This can help refresh another part of the Google system that supports Play Store activity. If the error still continues, the next step is to remove and re-add your Google account. This refreshes your account token and forces Google to re-authenticate your device for downloads and updates. Head into Settings, then Accounts, choose your Google account and remove it from the device. After that, add the same Google account back again. When you do this, make sure you remember your login details before removing the account, just so the process goes smoothly. Finally, try switching network connections. And sometimes the issue isn't with Google Play itself, but with the network you're using. A Wi-Fi connection may be unstable, restricted, or temporarily blocking part of the download. Turn off Wi-Fi and try mobile data or switch from mobile data to a different Wi-Fi network. This simple change can often restore a clean connection and allow the app to download normally. Once you've gone through these fixes, open the Play Store again and test the download. In many cases, one of these steps is enough to clear Google Play error 495 and get everything working again.